How do you become as efficient as possible being a medical courier? Survive to thrive. Looking for competitive insurance for your business? Please check out Next. It is a very simple resource that you can seek out insurance for your business. My affiliate link is down. Do you want to save money filing for your next LLC? Check out incauthority.com. My affiliate link is down below. A place where you can potentially file your LLC free. Hey everyone, this is Gilson Vergara back again with another video. Welcome to Do My Life if you are new around here. This is where we talk about health, wealth, and automotive passions. At the moment, it's very cold here in Virginia. Not too cold, but cold enough where I'm not riding my bike or anything automotive at the moment. But today, very important day. How do you become as efficient as possible being a medical courier? Now, I'm not going to say I'm an expert from my experience in the corporate setting as well as running my own businesses. To try to become as efficient as possible in the things that I do to mitigate time spent doing the business when you can be doing other things on your off time. I'm going to discuss some apps that I use that have helped me become more efficient over the years. This is not an end-all be-all. There's so many apps out there that you can use, but in essence, I need you to understand that this is the core concept of these systems that I have placed in my life that has helped me save some time. Hopefully it'll save you some time. Another way I try to be as super efficient as possible is allocating my funds properly for the business, because you got to get that. That's literally, you got to get that under control. So this is a technique that I do. I don't know if it's something that you want to do or anything like that, but this is what I do. And you would have to ask your contractor or whoever is giving you the work on how, how they're depositing and things like that. If they're allowing, or if it can be deposited into multiple accounts, because this is what I do. I set aside a percentage just for business operations, and I set aside a percentage just for like a rainy day, and I set aside a percentage for just my personal and things like that. So I'll try my best not to cut into, each pie, each slice of that pie, if that makes any sense. Now, me giving you my percentages, I don't know if it's going to help because it's only applicable to your life. Like if you guys look into the 50, 30, 20 rule, you can do it that way as well, but it depends on how much bills you have, right? So because some of you guys might have, more bills that you need to use these funds to maintain your life, like mortgage, car payments and things like that. At the present moment right now, I have personally 3 car payments. So 3 notes, right? So I got to factor that in. But however you do it, making sure and being disciplined enough to allocate these funds so you can keep it to the side to help operational costs is probably the best thing you can do. Yes, you're going to have issues if you don't maintain, or let's say for instance, if the company that you're working with pays semi-monthly, so you're getting paid pretty much every 15 days. So you have to secure you have 15 days worth of gas, and sometimes you fall short. I know I do, because I'm running hard all the time, and that fund for the 15 days of gas might not cut it because you're running hard. You're trying to get as many miles in as you can. So understand those percentages, maybe giving yourself a few points above that percentage to kind of cover that. Like I said, at the end of the day, it needs to fit your life. If you can cut it up in a way where you can sustain the life you have now and maintain a business that has a operational account that can just take from, perfect. If not, then you're gonna either have to give a bit more from the life pie and give more to the operational pie. It's all up to you. You're gonna know the best answer to that. Comment down below what your percentages are as far as where your real profit margin is. Because if you're a sole proprietor and this is your main stream of income, like this courier thing, you gotta be really sharp with those numbers, because for some of us, we have a particular lifestyle we're used to, and some of us have a very simple lifestyle. So these numbers are going to be very different. And I'm not going to be like one of those YouTubers or people on this platform who just tell you got to do this, you got to do this, you got to do this. Because they're not looking at, when it comes to this business, when it comes to life, different story. Everybody's number is different. Me personally, I try to cover my needs rather than my wants. Anything extra, put into business. If I do hit that struggle, then I got to find other ways to make it happen. You know, might cut into savings or whatever. But anything first year, second year, maybe even third year, maybe even 5 years in, when conducting a business, it's not easy, you know, especially if you're starting from scratch, as in you don't want to work with a company, you're actually seeking out the work yourself, might have issues trying to get all that work, trying to get all those accounts, and understand that there's only one of you. And if you start hiring and you don't have the work for it, to fill that up, your turnover is going to be very, very high. So that's for another video. But right now, being a sole proprietor, or any of you who have like a single LLC, all the numbers are going to be scattered because it all depends on your life. So keep that in mind. But to be healthy, always try to, like, for me, I would have it where I would have maybe 20 days worth of gas or fuel in that account. I have the car payment in that account or the insurance in that account, as well as any miscellaneous costs, oil change, tires go out or whatever, have a little fund there that gets put in every single month as well. Maybe like $25 every single time you get paid, it gets put into a miscellaneous fund just in case. So those are some things that I would do. Those are the apps, Miles IQ and Expensify, that I use to simplify my life a lot. As I explained, cutting up and allocating and itemizing your money coming in, so you won't be so stressful, and I've been through it. Trust me, I've been through it, where you're super stressed about money not coming in and things like that. But try your best to allocate and try to stay disciplined enough to stay with those percentages. Everyone's percentage is going to be different, right? Maybe not that much different, but it's case by case. If you guys don't mind, to be transparent, comment down below what your guys' percentages are, how much you keep for the business, and please do not flex. Nobody's here to, everybody's having a hard time out here. Everybody's trying to survive. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Everybody's trying to click over from survive to thrive. So those are the people that are probably watching this channel, survive to thrive. With that said, my name is Gil. Thank you for watching once again. Take care. God bless. Be safe out there. Bye.